So today we are going to talk about a very important topic, and that is overeating. We all have overeaten, sometimes because of habit, sometimes because of stress, or sometimes because of taste. And we need to know that there are consequences behind that. There's a consequence of overeating, and we are unaware of all those things because all we concentrate on is weight gain and weight loss. My focus and my point is beyond that, because our body is much more than just gaining weight or losing weight. And it's not about if your friend is thin or and खाना नहीं लगता, कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, but you're still overeating. That is what is required. You need to understand the process, how your body is taking that food. So when you consume a lot of food, your stomach expands and it pushes the other organs in the body, which cause uneasiness or feel sluggish. And when you consume more food, it gives more work to your organs, which makes it harder for the body to function well. As you know that when we talk about overeating, we don't realize that the things is not happening on the outside of the body. It's not just the weight we are gaining, it's also about what's happening inside our body. Our stomach also produces hydrochloric acid, and when we consume more food, it produces more acid, which goes up to our esophagus and cause heat burns. And that's when when you eat something which is not that good, probably refined flours, more of that, you start feeling acidic also inside your body. And that's the reason behind that. You have to stop when you feel a little full. Okay, so our brain takes about 20 minutes to send signals to our stomach to tell us that we are full. Okay, but if you eat beyond that point, that is overeating. So we have to realize that we have to change that pattern. So how do we do that? Firstly, control the portion sizes. जितना आप खा रहे हो उससे हल्का सा कम खाना शुरू कर दो. So you will realize that you are feeling full. हमारी बॉडी को इतनी ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती है जितना खाना हम उसे दे देते हैं, and especially we are not burning that. So what I personally do is whenever I am putting my food on my plate, I always put in smaller portions. I can take it twice, but when I take a lot of food at one time, I'm probably to take a second serving, because आदत ही होती है, if you're taking one serving, हम second serving भी लेंगे, because आदत है. That's a habit and we have to change that. So start taking in smaller portions. अगर आपको 2 portions देने की आदत है, try and take 1.5, or try and take 1 portion and just get up. So second thing that you can do is drink water half an hour before your meals and 1 hour after your meals. That's something that I also maintain most of the times. Third thing that you can do, probably when you're think that you're overeating and you don't know how to stop, like I said, portion controlling is one thing. Start eating in smaller plates. So if you have a big plate, I never eat in a big plate. I always take smaller plates, because I feel that when you look at the food and in small plate, of course it will look more, so it will give you a feeling that you are eating a lot. And see, first thing is that you need to have that connection with the brain, that I'm satisfactory full, and that's how one needs to eat. Talking about हमें इतने ग्राम्स ये खाना है, इतने ग्राम्स ये खाना है रोज़ के बेसिस पे, but is it really getting digested in the body? Is it really giving you that kind of effect? Is it really the nutrients are getting absorbed rightly? We all need to understand that our body is beyond the grams that we are eating. When we overeat, the circadian clock of the body also gets disturbed. The sleep-wake cycle, the hunger hormones and the sleep cycle also get disturbed while we are overeating, and which causes uneasiness and also disturbs our sleep cycle. And कुछ लोगों को रात को नींद भी नहीं आती because of these habits. So we have to control that and understand that overeating has more impacts and dreadful impacts than what we know. It's not just obesity, it's not just gaining weight, it can lead to dreadful diseases. So please be mindful, be aware when you are eating your food, and don't overeat. Thank you.